Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our market wrap-up show for Thursday, April 10th, 2008. I'm Joe Kinahan, Chief Derivative Strategist with thinkorswim. Today in the Dow, we saw a nice rally with the Dow up almost 55 points, closing over 12,580. And it was a very interesting day in the fact that the Dow was off its highs of the day, but still a very impressive day indeed. We started out with some nice financial news from Walmart Incorporated. After the racy videos yesterday, they tell us today that their sales were pretty good. Then we see the retail sales out with same-store sales weak in the overall retail sales. So as the market is right now is a little bit of a conundrum, so to say, as we're not quite sure which way to go with these things. As the day progressed, we had a lot of different things happen. We saw the S&P futures up about $3 today, closing just above the 1363 even level. Again, we've talked about these same levels again and again and again until we're blue in the face. We're still in this uncharted area, so to speak. We're not sure which way to go, and again, that's reflected in the VIX. Very interesting how much the VIX came down today. Down almost 83 cents on a day where we weren't up that much, under 22. I believe if this VIX gets under 20, we are going to break 1400. Until then, I can't go out and say that with any kind of certainty. And I mean the VIX has to break 20 convincingly and stay there for a couple of days in order for us to do this. But it bears watching. Let's see what happens over these next few days, particularly as, you know, we've talked before, other expirations before. I'm a believer that we do tend to rally going into expiration week. All right, some of the other things happening. Yahoo, Microsoft, talk about some news. It seems as though Microsoft might be out in the cold as Yahoo and Time Warner are talking about teaming up together. So we have a lot of interesting things in the mix right now to see what's going to happen there. Let's talk also about our sizzler of the day. We see the symbol C, C, J, Charlie, Joe, and Cameco Corporation. This is a uranium maker. A uranium miner. And what we see in this company is some takeover talks, I should say rumors rather than talks. And the stock trading at 37.42. The April 40 calls, 18,000 of them traded today. The open interest coming into today was only 3,800. Very significant. We saw the May 40s also trade almost 9,500 contracts. Bears watching, CCJ. Let's keep our eyes on that stock over the next couple of days. Could be kind of interesting to see what happens there. All right, tomorrow we have GE's earnings. I believe they're going to set the pace for the day, set the pace for the rest of this earnings season. Other than that, I hope everyone had a good day today. If you didn't, I hope tomorrow's a better one. As always, good health, good trading. I'm Joe Kinahan, Chief Derivative Strategist for thinkorswim.